How do you turn boring testimony videos into something people actually watch? In today's world, most testimony videos are like this. Hi, my name is Joe, and I was really struggling with my weight, so I knew I needed to do something about it. So I looked around, and I decided to join ABC Fitness. Once I joined ABC Fitness, I found that I lost 17 pounds. I know that I am sleeping better and that I have more energy. So if you want results like this, then you're going to want to join ABC Fitness. Now here is the updated version. I was really struggling with my weight, so I decided to join ABC Fitness. Once I joined ABC Fitness, I lost 17 pounds. I am sleeping better and I have more energy. And to turn that boring video into a much better video, there are only 5 steps you need to follow. Step 1, edit out all of the ums, ahs, and pauses. Step 2, focus only on the impact words and phrases. Also, look for any emotion that the video might have. Step 3, add music based on the feeling and flow of the video. Since this video had no emotion, I looked for music that would help enhance or bring some of that emotion out. Step 4, add captions or text that are going to help people to follow along and actually watch the video. Step 5, add a call to action. Most testimony videos don't have this and they're severely missing out. Now, of course, there are other things that can help take this testimony video to another level, but if you want to take a boring testimony video and turn it into something that people watch and take action on, then follow these 5 steps.